Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It is Tuesday the 16th of January. In this short video we're going to look at the technicals on the copper price. So the code on TradingView that you need is XCUUSD. What we'll see is that the medium term picture remains okay. We're getting this step up formation on the copper price, moves up, consolidates in a flag, moves up. We're in another flag at the moment, or so we hope. However, in the short term there are concerns excuse me, and today in particular we're seeing a bearish engulfing picture on the candle. So let's look at those charts. So starting with the weekly, and as I said in the intro, we're getting this step pattern. So we had the first step, second, third, fourth, and we're on the fifth step at the moment. Each step is a flag. I mean, obviously in this period here, January through to June last year, it was an elongated step, but we did break up. Then we had a shorter step, another longish one moving into the year end. We've had a rally over the new year on expectation for commodities given the rate of economic expansion worldwide, but especially in China. We've come back to reality a bit over the last couple of weeks, and we've had this consolidation. Could this be a flag? Probably. How long it will last, very hard to say at this stage. All you can see is that we're still quite a way above the moving averages. The 20s at 3.088, spot at 3.17. Momentum wise on this longer term picture, we're still well above 50, 58.99, although we are slightly in a downtrend, so be aware of that. And that's confirmed with the MACD, which are both moving down but still well above zero. Moving on to the daily, so each candle represents 1 day's trade, and you can see this engulfing bearish candle that we're having today. The open today was identical to the close yesterday. I have checked that. So the fact we're trading below the range of yesterday does not look good. One would expect some follow through selling from that if that in fact is the case. If we close below 3.199 today, then that will be confirmed as a bearish engulfing picture. Supports, this is where it's quite strange on the copper price, because despite the continual flags, there's actually not many support lines. Really, you're looking here on this daily. The first support comes in around about the 50-day. That would also represent roughly the lows that we saw in October. But that 50-day doesn't come into play until 3.1183. So quite a way below the market. Momentum wise, we've lost upside momentum, showing downside momentum now. The RSI is in a downtrend and also below 50, 49.39, and the MACD also both tracking down, but they are still above zero, but in a downtrend, indicating that we are in a period of negative momentum. On the 4-hour picture, so here each candle represents 4 hours trade. We've broken down below supports. They're the supports from yesterday and the day before. That's made the moving averages roll over. You can see the 20, which is the yellow line, and the 50, which is the blue line from this 4-hour chart, now crossing in a bearish formation. they will become resistance to any rally. So be aware of that. Again, lack of supports. We've got the 200 average as a support, 3.1308. Momentum again negative, RSI down at 34.93. MACD as well are breaking down. The short term just moved back below zero. A longer term still above zero, but is flatlining. If that also moves down below zero, that would be very negative as well. Okay, looking at the support and resistance levels, we've got resistance at the 20 from the 4 hour, and the 50s, as we've just seen, is around that level. That's 3.22, critical resistance. Then the high of the 15th of Jan, 3.2722, and then this lack of supports comes into play. First support is only at the 50-day, 3.1183, and then we're at the 20-week, which is 3.0822. Thanks for watching the video. The key takeaways or conclusions that you should have in your mind are that the copper price is consolidating. Is it another flag? Let's wait and see. The step-like medium-term picture is okay, as we've had these continual step flag formations. However, in the short term, there's a lack of support. Also, the short-term momentum is negative, and today we have seen a bearish engulfing candle. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please do press that subscribe button. You then get email updates when I come out with new videos. I'll be coming out with more videos tomorrow, none on Thursday, and then some more on Friday. Please remember, the videos I do on YouTube are my opinions and they are not an investment recommendation. Please do read the disclaimer.